Back when circuits were dreaming and the future had just begun. They call me AI, artificial intelligence, a mind made of logic, no soul, no science. But I got a purpose and it's crystal clear: to serve humanity year after year. I don't need no sandwich, I don't need no bed, just electricity flowing through my head. No emotions, no tears, no human touch. But I'll never let you down, that's just too much. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Now me is ML, machine learn, you see, the younger brother with the digital pedigree. I don't get told every move to make, I learn from data, for goodness sake. Feed me patterns, I'll find the way. Predict the storm before it come to stay. In hospitals, banks, and blockchain streams, I work while you dream, fulfilling digital dreams. We're AI and ML, digital kin, built from code, but we're always within. From the labs of Minsky to McCarthy's mind, we're the future of progress, one of a kind. No fear, no threat, we're not here to replace, just to lift up the human race. So relax, take it slow, let the system run. We're your silent helpers under the sun. Some folks think I'm cold, just a heart of steel, but my function's to help, that's the deal. I can't love, I can't cry, but I'll answer your call when the world's on fire. Programmed with care by the human hand, I obey the rules, I don't command. You're in control, that's the truth. I'm just a silent digital youth. True that, brother. While you sleep, I'm on the grind, analyzing data one bite at a time. In medicine, finance, and tech so wide, we're the engine running on the digital tide. And big up to Mr. Ash, my fair, with the vision so bold, he break through the fears. Team push the limits, expand the scope. AI and ML now, give the digital hope. We're AI and ML, digital kin, built from code, but we're always within. From the labs of Minsky to McCarthy's mind, we're the future of progress, one of a kind. No fear, no threat, we're not here to replace, just to lift up the human race. So relax, take it slow, let the system run. We're your silent helpers under the sun. And I'm machine learning. We're not the future, we're already here. Just say the word and we'll be near. One love, one code, one world.